It's Megan from Uppermoda here. Today I'm going to be making pinca or Sirnica. So it's a Croatian sweet Easter bread. And last year in Croatia I tried to eat as many of these as possible to see which one was the best from which bakery. So this year I'll be making my own and I found a recipe through Croatia Week. So let's get started. Okay, so I have the milk, the melted butter, and the egg yolks that's going to get mixed in here now. So it's day 2 and I've had my dough rise overnight. I think it's supposed to be a bit smoother, so we'll see how this turns out. I now need to cut it into 3 pieces and then let it rise again. Okay, so I floured it a bit to get it to that more of a smooth texture. And I've done my first ball, so I'll let it sit and rise for the next 3 hours. Let's see how cute these are. Yay! They look awesome. Okay, so the next step is I need my sugar cubes, my egg yolk, and of course, my first dough. Time to go in the oven. Okay, so the first one's just come out of the oven. I followed the instructions and I think it's a bit burnt. Let's hopefully see what it looks like inside. Came out of the oven. Still a bit dark. My third one is going in now. Here is my finished Sirnica or pinca. Perfect for my Easter basket.